We got my dude Cadillac Jr. on the line. What up, man?
Nah, man, what it do? How everybody doing out there?
Introduce yourself, man.
Man, I'm Cadillac JR, VWENT, I-40 Boys, out here in Tennessee, just trying to handle my business, man, trying to make my way out that way.
Yeah.
And see what it do. It's going on like 7 years. I've been doing it for about 6 years.
Yeah.
Actually recording for about 6 years.
What's your most memorable moment in your music career?
I got a lot of upcoming things going on, man. That's really just memorable for me. But you know, the one thing I can say, I shut down the Bobby Valentino concert.
Yeah.
And it was live, man. I mean, I've never seen so many women say they love me and not even know me. I'm just saying, you know.
Hip hop. That's the game right there, man. If you could work with anybody in the world in this music career, who would be the top 3 artists that you would want to work with?
Top 3 artists I want to work with. Let me get a song with Nas.
Yeah.
Let me get a song with Mystical.
Uh-huh.
And let me get a song with Snoop.
Snoop Dogg.
I know if I get Snoop on a song, I'm going international.
Yeah, that's what's up. So, music-wise, what do you have out that's released from you?
Oh man, I got right now I got the Year of Jordan. That was my first mixtape that I put out.
Yeah.
It was the first one that I did that actually got finished. Then I got the Black Mamba. That's the one out recently, and I'm pushing that heavy. We got a nice campaign on it.
Yeah.
And I've been doing some with my group I-40 Boys.
Yeah.
And we've been pushing things heavy on that too. We got 2 of those out, Volume 1 and Volume 2. It is what it is.
Can we buy these albums?
Man, you can go download all of them for free at thatpiff.com.
Okay, so what do we type in? How do we log on? What do we type in?
You go on thatpiff.com, type in Cadillac JR, type in the Black Mamba, type in Year of the Jordan, type in I-40 Boys, and the CD will pop up.
Okay.
You go ahead and download it. If you can't get it that way, I send you all the tracks myself. I email you the album.
What is the future for Cadillac Jr.?
Man, shows, man. Got a show this Friday down here in Nashville. Got a show next week. I got a show down here in Nashville. I'll be doing something for it'll be at the Rutledge May 20th. I got a show in Atlanta opening up for 3-6 Brick Squad. I'm in negotiations to open up for Wiz Khalifa when he come down here in Nashville. I'm in negotiations to open up for Yellow Wolf in Cleveland. We talking about a tour in the UK. I'm just waiting on if I don't see it on paper, I really don't talk about it. So until I see that, you know what I'm saying, to the lawyer say what it is.
Yeah.
No, I ain't really speaking on it till I see that. I gotta see it in black and white.
Most definitely, man. So what do you want?
But I got my passport though.
What do you want people to know about Cadillac Jr.?
Man, you know, I'm a humble guy, man. You know, I love life, and I'm just trying to give you my life experiences, past, present, and future.
Yeah.
You know, what I've been through, what I'm going through, and where I see myself in, you know, in my future. I mean, you can either take it or leave it, you know. I'm trying to be as lyrical as possible.
Yeah.
I want you to think, you know what I'm saying? I ain't what the little dude Soulja Boy say, Super Lupe. I ain't Super Lupe lyrical.
Yeah.
But you know what I'm saying? I mess with Lupe all the way. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, my stuff is gonna be thought provoking.
Most definitely, most definitely. Let's go into your links, man. So if anybody wants to holler at you, man, give them all the links, websites, emails, you know what I mean?
Man,
Twitter, Facebook.
I'm on Facebook. Cadillac JR.
Okay.
I'm on MySpace. If anybody still go to MySpace. Cadillac JR.
Yeah.
I'm on YouTube, Cadillac JR. I'm on Reverb Nation.
Yeah.
Cadillac JR. All you gotta do is Google the name.
Google.
And something gonna pop up dealing with me. Google me.
Google
me.
Yeah.
And if you want to, you can Yahoo me. Doug Cadillac Jr. THACADILLACJR@gmail.com.
There it is, and there it is. Holla at him, log on, blog on. That's how we do it, man. You got any shout outs to anybody out there in the world right now?
Man, shout out to everybody in the world, man. You know, everybody keep doing your thing, keep trying to be as positive as you can.
Yeah.
All the mothers, Happy Mother's Day is coming up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Keep being strong because your kid is looking at you. All them fathers, man, hey, step up, do what you gotta do, and the real ones who doing what they gotta do, man, I commend you, man.
Yeah.
You know, you only get one life, man. Live it.